On the second aspect, we look at platform and language transparency. The beauty of web service, we are not forcing the client to use the same programming language as written for the service. The client and the web service provider can still communicate, exchange data even if they are from different operating platform and languages. Usually, these programming languages provides libraries, utilities, and frameworks to enable the interoperability, meaning the client can still read the output produced by the web service provider even if they are written in different languages. Since web service is operating on open infrastructure, web services can be published and consumed on various hardware platforms and under different operating systems. With that two aspects, open infrastructure and transparent of language and platform, web service is an excellent way to integrate diverse software systems while letting the programmer work on their language of choice. The web service approach is to integrate rather than to rewrite. This is a very desirable feature of web service. Any software component, modular design is always a preferable choice. Modular design is a technique that separates the function of a program into independent and interchangeable modules. Modular design for a web service should be composed out of existing ones. Web service should be a small software part from a large system, which focusing on executing one functionality in ideal case, where it shall be executed with everything in necessary.